Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair has reported from Hazrat Abu Humaid Saidi radiyallahu anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed a man from Bani Asad called Ibn Utbiya as alms collector. When he returned, he said, "This is your wealth, whereas this has been gifted to me." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon mounted the pulpit. Sufyan also said, ascended the pulpit after extolling and glorifying Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What has happened to the collector? We dispatched him, and he on his return say, This is for you and this is for me. He should have stayed at his father's and mother's house and seen whether someone might give him a gift or not. By him in whose possession my soul is, if someone misappropriates anything, he will on the resurrection day come to meet his Lord bearing it on his neck. If it is a camel, it will be rumbling. If it is a cow, it will be blowing. If it is a goat, it will be bleating." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his hands to such an extent that we witnessed the whiteness of his armpits. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said thrice, "Have I conveyed Allah's message?" Sufyan states that Zuhri narrated this event to us. Hazrat Abu Humaid said, "My ears heard and eyes witnessed it," and asked Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit, for he also heard it along with me. It has not been reported from Zuhri. My ears heard. Khawarun means voice, and wal jawaru is from tajaruna, voice like that of a cow. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7174.